A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, said Jesus love you, no? But how you feel about him? You love him enough to give him the most expensive thing where you have? You love him enough to give him everything where you have? Think about it. And while you think, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And by the way, if you don't subscribe yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 12 from verse 1 to verse 8. 6 days before the Passover holiday, Jesus go to Bethany, the place where Lazarus, the one where him did make come back alive, did live. So then through big near means fame there. Martha did a serve and Lazarus did there with the one them we did a sit down with Jesus round the table. Mary then now take one buckle with 12 pint a dear perfume oil we make out a real nod. She take time, throw it out upon Jesus' foot them, and then she wipe them off with her ear. And the perfume did smell up in her house strong. But one of Jesus' follower them, Judas Iscariot, the one we're going to sell him out, say, what makes somebody nice sell the perfume here for 300 silver coin and give the money to poor people? No, him name assessor, cause he did cater about poor people. I threw him at the thief. Him did a look after a trade bag and he used a thief out where them put in there. Left her, Jesus say. She keep it for the day when me go bury. Uno ever go have poor people round uno. But uno na go have me round here with uno. Forever. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.